to my channel. It's your girl Janearl and I'm back with another video for you guys. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this beautiful, yummy watermelon 3D letter for my baby boy's birthday. So first of all, like I've already made the letter O and the letter E. So I just want to show you guys in detail how I made it using the letter N. So what I'm doing right now is measuring, taking my measurements, like measuring where the green part is going to stop, the white part is going to stop, and where the red part is going to start. So I further divided into 3, as you can see in the picture. So as you can see, I did not cover the back of this because I already had the base at home. Like if you've seen on my channel, I've done this video before, so I just had to cover it up using the cards I bought in my previous videos. So all I'm gonna do right now is, to cover the green, where the green part stops. As you guys know, watermelon starts from green, then it has a little bit of white before the red juicy part. So that's what I'm trying to create. But if you do not have this base, this 3D letter base, you can actually create one by yourself. I think I did a video on how I did a 3D letter. It's somewhere down in my video. I'm either going to tag it in my description box, or please kindly find it down below if you really want to learn how to do that. So all I'm going to be doing right now is, use my hot gun, just because I do not have the time to create a new base, a new 3D letter. That's why I am just reusing the old one I have. And plus, it's just for my baby's birthday. If I were to making this for a client, I'm definitely going to be starting from scratch, So yeah, so all I'm doing right now is, attaching the green parts to the green card to one leg of the N, and I'm gonna be doing that to both legs, and then I'll get back to let you know how it looked like. And yeah, so if this is your first time on this channel, you are welcome. Be kind enough to join the family by clicking on that big red subscribe button below this video to join the family. Don't forget to click on the all notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And to my family, I love you so much. Thank you so much for staying true. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. Thank you for sharing my videos, for liking, for commenting. It means a lot to me. God bless you. And yes, enjoy the video. It's actually self-explanatory.
I've been making moves like a ninja. I could play it cool like I'm winter. I can make it rain like a cash tsunami. Wanna slip and slide, we can link up. Working all the time, make it dollar. Be a student, try to make a dollar. Wanna live life like I'm on vacation. Gotta get those good vibrations. Oh, glowing so bright, I'm going solar. I'm riding high and it's just closer. Loving what I do and I know nothing gets me down, 'cause I can turn it round right. Wanna have a party, let it all hang out. Come on, let me show you what it's all about. Like, I like it better when we all get loud. I feel the goodness all around, like, I'm feeling good now. I'm feeling good now. I'm feeling good now. Feeling like a top-down summer. I've been on the rise since I come up. No, I don't gotta try, I'm a natural stunner. Hitting home runs like a baseball runner. Yeah, I just go up, never coming down. Good things show up, got me saying wow.
So guys, I'm gonna be repeating the same step with the other leg, and yep, magically it is done. So right now what I'm gonna be doing is, attaching the white piece where I marked, as you can see. So I'm just gonna attach that all around the letter N, and another magic abracadabra, it is done. Okay guys, so what I'm gonna be doing right now is, attaching the red parts all around the sides of the letter N. The red part is the biggest part, so it has to, go around the sides and the front part. So yep, that's what I'm gonna be doing, just using my hot glue gun, applying it where needed and then attaching it. But you have to be very careful because you're using hot glue gun, and hot glue gun, you know, dries up so fast. You have to make sure you position the paper or the card you're using at the right place. If not, you're gonna, you know, have a rough work. But anyways, yes, if you don't have the base, like I said earlier on, try making this from scratch. And I have a video on how I did this from scratch down in my channel. So guys, enjoy the video. So guys, I'm done attaching the red to all the sides. What I'm gonna do now is trace out the front part of the red. You know, I'm just going to place the red card on the table, and then, you know, place the letter N in opposite directions. Opposite, because this card I'm using does not have front and back, so we only have red color in one part of it. So you have to place the letter in opposite directions to get the correct side showing red. I don't know if you understand me. Just place it the way I'm placing if you have a base. And yeah, trace out the N, cut it out, and attach it to the front part of your letter. And your letterbox is halfway done. Halfway done, guys.
I've been making moves like a ninja. I could play it cool like I'm winter.
So guys, I'm so sorry. I cut it up. I started attaching it and forgot that I was not recording. Thank God I didn't go so far. So all you have to do when you cut it out is just to use your hot gun or any gum of choice and attach it to your letter N, just like you see me do, guys. It's as simple as ABC. Just attach it to the N, and then your watermelon is halfway done. Still halfway done. We just need some finishing touches to make it look like a real watermelon, like we need the seeds actually. So watch on, we'll get to that part, guys. And there you have it, guys. Like, it's already looking almost like a watermelon. Watermelon sugar. Hi. Yeah. So guys, all you have to do right now is, you know, attach the seeds to the 3D letter to make it look like a watermelon. So you can actually use a black card, you know, cut out the seed shapes and, you know, attach it to the 3D letter. But the easiest way is just using a black marker. So that's what I did. Even though I bought the black card, I decided to use a black marker because I did not have time, guys. Like, and the time no day to start to they cut little shapes like this. So I just had to improvise by using a black marker. So all you just have to do is, you know, make it scanty. You know, watermelon seed, no, they plenty now. So just try to make it scantily and do that all around the red part of the 3D letter, at least the red part that can be seen. Like I said, I did not cover the back side because 1, I did not have time. 2, I'm just doing it for myself, you know, for my child at home. It's not like it's a paid craft I'm doing for someone, for a client. Yeah, so do it scantily because in my letter O, I think I over added the seed and I didn't really like that. I kind of like the seed looking so scantily. And as you can see, it's getting, oh my lord, it's looking like a watermelon already. So I'm gonna go ahead and and add the seeds to the sides of the 3D letter, and voila, you are D-O-N-E done. Oh my lord. Look how yummy the watermelon 3D letter looks. It looks exactly like a watermelon. Tell me guys, did I do well? Did I do well? How do you think I did? I think I nailed it, guys. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned to see how we used it in the photo shoot.
I'm feeling good now. I've been making moves like a ninja. I could play it cool like I'm winter. I can make it rain like a cash tsunami. Wanna slip and slide, we can link up. Working all the time, make it dollar. Be a student, try to make $1. Wanna live life like I'm on vacation. Gotta get those